What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made the last video, and today I'm gonna do something a little bit different and do a product review. So I got this Samsung Note 9 smartphone about a week ago, and given how expensive it is, I thought I better use a really good screen protector for it. And I've been doing a lot of research, and there are only a couple of products that I've seen. There's the glass protector that you glue down. And then there's the glass protector that has the adhesive along the edges. And a lot of people complain about that type of protector, that it comes off too easily and dirts get inside, or that the air gap between the screen, that it diminishes the sensitivity of the touch screen. And then I came across this product by Ringke, which is also a glass screen protector. But instead of having the adhesive along the edges of the glass, the entire glass surface has adhesive. It's not the liquid type of adhesive that you pour, but it's more like a sticker type of adhesive. So we'll find out how good this screen protector is, whether it sticks well, and whether the sensitivity is maintained. So inside this kit is a squeegee, cleaning wipe, alcohol type, a microfiber, and a sticker for dust removal, the instruction manual, and the installation frame. Now they also have the same kit but without the frame, and the price is the same. So I suggest getting the kit that has the frame. And the price was, I believe it was $16.99. And then we got the screen protector itself, which is also a curved glass. Alright, let's get to the installation. Now, it's very important that you do this installation in a clean environment. That means turn off all your fans, close any windows that might be open. That should minimize all the dust that might get on the screen. So the first thing we do is use their alcohol wipe and wipe the screen down really good to make sure that all the oils and dirt is off the screen. Now, I don't know whether you could, if you make a mistake, whether you could remove the screen protector and reinstall it, or how many times you could do it before the adhesive gives up. So it's best to do this thing right the first time around. Making sure no oil is left behind. That looks pretty good. And then if you get any dust on it, you could use the sticker to pull it off. Next, we install the insulation frame, and it can only go one way. You just have to make sure that you align the buttons on the side of the phone on the cutouts of the frame. This one goes on top of the phone. Make sure it's flush with the screen. Since I got a bunch of dust in there, I gotta pick it up with a sticker. So there's 3 strips of sticker that you could use. And then you just lightly pull off any dust that have landed on the screen. and they'll just keep on coming. So you gotta be quick. Once you're ready to install the glass, you gotta be quick. So we'll keep this handy. Now we peel off the glass. Now the key to this glass insulation is that you align these two, I guess, knobs into these slots, and then once those are aligned, you just drop the glass and it should just lay flat on the glass. So I'm gonna peel this off, the backing, carefully. Careful not to bend the glass and break it. Now I'm making sure the adhesive back is always facing down, because I don't want any dust to be on the surface. Okay, let's clean the screen one more time, making sure no dust is on it. Now we align the top part, and then just drop the screen. Now, I don't know if the camera could pick this up, but as soon as I press the center part, you'll see the adhesive attached to the screen, and it will spread out like so. You can kind of see it right there, spreading like that. So then with the aid of the squeegee, we'll help spread out, well, just make the adhesive move around. Well, it's not really moving around, you're just pressing the glass, the screen protector, onto the back. And bubbles will form all over, so you could just squeegee them out. So along the edges you could see the air gap. And you just have to slowly press it out. You could pretty much take off the frame at this point. So the hard part is pretty much done. So it's all about the cleanup now. Just keep pushing the air bubbles. The air bubbles is gonna want to keep coming back. So you just have to be patient and just keep pushing them out. Okay, I finally got it installed. Wow, that was super hard. I don't know what to say about that, because this is the second time I installed the screen protector. I installed it on my other phone, and that one I installed it the first time around. I got it right. But this time it just took forever. At least 10 times I took it off, put it back on. I just couldn't get it to align along the edges. The bubbles just kept forming, and then one bubble would form here. Then I would get it right, then the other side would form the bubble. Now, despite using this alignment frame, I just wouldn't align properly. But eventually I got it right. And unfortunately, dust did get underneath the screen protector, but it's not too bad. I mean, I'll live with it. And it still looks good. The glass feels good. Let's test the S Pen. The S Pen feels smooth. It glides smoothly on the glass. Yeah. And screen sensitivity is still there. No problem. Very nice. Now the glass doesn't go all the way to the edges, and that's so that you could use other cases so that it's more compatible. And when you touch your finger along the edges, you do feel that sharp edge. It won't cut you, but you feel it that it's a sharp edge. And then along here, you can just see that the glass doesn't go all the way to the edge of the phone. So when you're scrolling down, you'll feel that edge. So you could either just use on here. Over here, the glass goes all the way to the edge, so it feels not too bad. So it isn't so sharp. Here's my other Note 9 with the same screen protector on. And I also have the Ringke Fusion X case, which looks really nice. Very well designed. And with the case on, the edges feel, you don't even feel the screen edge. So it feels very smooth. The transition is very nice. You do still feel the edge screen or the glass edge over here on the top because it doesn't go all the way to the edge. But that's minor. One more thing that Ringke needs to look into is the black borders that they integrated into the screen protector. I really don't know what the purpose of that is. The phone itself already has a black border, so to have the screen protector have that black border is redundant. But the main problem with that is that border is actually smaller than the screen itself, the phone screen itself. So it's actually partially blocking the screen, and that becomes evident with the edge lighting feature of the phone, as I will demonstrate. So as you can see, the edge lighting is supposed to illuminate around the edge of the screen. But with the screen protector on, you can only see the top and the bottom part. The left and the right side are blocked. So the only workaround with that is to adjust the width. So by default it's set to narrow, and if you set to wide, then you can see the full edge lighting feature. But that's minor, but Ringke should definitely look into that. Either widen the black border or eliminate it altogether, because I really don't see the purpose of it. So given all the facts, would I still recommend this screen protector? I think so, but with one caveat. If you're a novice and you've never installed a curved glass screen protector with a full adhesive back, then I would have some reservations. But if you're willing to take the chance that you may have to do the installation several times to get it right and have the risk of having dust get underneath, then yeah, go ahead, try it out. And if you go directly at Ringke store, their website, you could get a 20% discount if you sign up to their email list. And the price of this screen protector was $16.99. So that's about $3 off with a 20% off. And I think this screen protector should prove much more reliable than the other screen protector that only has the adhesive along the edges. I don't see this one coming off by itself. It's pretty well adhered to the glass. So, thank you for watching.